This is the Honda Clarity, and if you wonder what A01 service code means, you can easily get it in this menu here. You need to go home first, then go to settings, then vehicle, then down here maintenance info, and here select reset items, and here you see what each service item means. You can reset it here, but the most important thing is you see that A is oil filter, oil and filter, 0 and chassis inspection, which means you will need to inspect brakes, suspension, fluid levels, exhaust systems, high voltage battery cover, and also fuel lines. And item 1 means tire rotation, so you need to rotate tires when you see this A01. This is what A01 means, and actually now you can see any code that you get here, service code, maintenance code. You can understand and decode it here in this menu. That's quite handy actually.